Well, good morning to all of my awesome friends. I'm joining in with my daughter. Blossom Your Creativity is the name of her channel. And as you can see, she puts up some really good quality videos, and she's really good at doing DIY projects. As you see, the Christmas dollhouse, she had over 6,000 views for that one post. She did how to make fake sweets, got 3,000. And this one here last year has 3,000. That just gives you a little bit of an idea of the quality of her videos. Please go over and watch and be inspired and see what she has been able to accomplish. And she works a full-time job as a nurse. That is very stressful work. So she's an awesome channel. Please go give her some love and support. It's been a little bad here lately again. My husband, of course, you know, has had pneumonia 3 times since last summer. And for Thanksgiving, my oldest son and my daughter both and their families got COVID. So, you know, it hasn't been very easy, but we try to work through it. So I got this video made today and got put up. I can't believe it. I'm going to put up a second video of my display, but it's going to light up tonight because it's outside. And so come back tonight, probably about 7 o'clock, and I should have it up. So don't forget, anyone can join in on this collab. The hashtag for it is DIY. See, was it Christmas DIY? And the other one is hashtag decorating for Christmas. So I did mine out in the garden. I was going to put it in the cozy corner, but then when I started putting everything together, it was such a big display, there's no way it was going to fit in my house. So I put it out in the fairy garden. Surprise, surprise, surprise. So be prepared for a fairy garden today with a DIY sort of project. I had done a second one, but another total failure. I threw it in the trash. And I did shoot some of it, and I said, I'm not going to share it. It turned out so bad. So I thought what I would do, and you just do what you got to do. You know, there's always next year. Maybe next year I'll get more creative. Maybe next year I will do more with the sleigh that my daughter got me. We both have the same sleigh. Of course, my daughter went all out for hers. Mine is very limited. Basically, it has an insert that it didn't have, for we could share it. And I did put a really nice display up. And it's about the best I could do. What I was wanting to do, I couldn't find the pieces, so I looked for about 2 weeks and I gave up. Because every time I go out and look for something I was looking for, I knew they made it, couldn't find it anywhere, and I kept spending more money, so finally I just said, forget it, you're spending way too much money on this project. So, I hope you enjoy it. I enjoy having you guys stop by, and don't forget to check out my daughter's channel, Blossom Your Creativity.